Welcome to Infigyan friends. Today in this video we have another very interesting question from radical equations which we have to solve for real x. So let's get started by writing here three conditions. First condition is our denominator should not be equal to 0. So x cube plus 4 not equal to 0. Second condition is our radicand x cube plus 3 should be non-negative. So we will write here x cube plus 3 should be greater than or equal to 0. Third condition is LHS must also be non-negative since we have a square root in right hand side. So we'll write x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 2 over x cube plus 4. This should be greater than or equal to 0. Now we will cross multiply and get equation x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 2 equal to x cube plus 4 times the square root of x cube plus 3. Now we will use substitution. So let us consider square root x cube plus 3 equal to u. So I will write here square root x cube plus 3 equal to u. Now I will be squaring both sides. We will get x cube plus 3 equal to u square. By adding 1 to both sides, we will be able to get x cube plus 4, which will be u square plus 1. So in place of x cube plus 4, we will write u square plus 1. And square root x cube plus 3 is substitution u. So we will write equation x cube plus 3x square plus 4x can be written as 3x plus x and 2 can be written as 1 plus 1. So 4x plus 2 would be 3x plus 1 plus x plus 1. And in RHS we have u times u square plus 1. Now from these four terms, we can easily write this is x plus 1 whole cube. So here I can write x plus 1 whole cube. Then we have x plus 1 term. And in RHS, if I will expand, I will get u times u cube plus u times 1 u. So it would be u cube plus u in RHS. In LHS, it is x plus 1 whole cube plus x plus 1. Let us say this is f of x plus 1. And in RHS, it is f of u. Both functions are monotonic increasing function or strictly increasing function. Simply by comparing, we can write x plus 1 must be equal to u. Now u was our substitution, square root x cube plus 3. So I will write x plus 1 equal to square root of x cube plus 3. Now we have one square root in right hand side. We will square both sides to remove the square root from RHS. Now we have to use a plus b whole square identity in left hand side. In right hand side, we will cancel square root with a square. So we can write x plus 1 whole square equal to x cube plus 3. Let's expand LHS. We will get x square plus 2x plus 1. And in right side, we'll write x cube plus 3. Now write all the terms to RHS. We will get x cube minus x square minus 2x plus 3 minus 1, 2 equal to 0. Now this is one cubic equation which we have to solve in real numbers. I will use method of factorization. So we can take x square common from first two terms. We will get x minus 1 in the bracket. From next two terms it is minus 2 common. We will get x minus 1 in the bracket equal to 0. Now x minus 1 is overall common. So in our other bracket we will write x square minus 2 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we will get either x minus 1 equal to 0 or x square minus 2 equal to 0. So from first equation, by adding 1 both sides, we are going to get first real x. It is x equal to 1. Now we will add 2 to both sides here. We will get x square is equal to 2. Now we will take a square root both sides. We will be able to find x equal to plus minus square root 2. Now we have 3 real x. 1 plus root 2 and minus root 2. Let me write here x equal to 1 plus square root 2 minus square root 2. Now I will be writing our condition from left side. Since we have a square root in RHS, our LHS must be non-negative. If x is positive, I will write x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 2 over x cube plus 4. For x positive, this quantity will be always greater than equal to 0. For x equal to 1 and for x equal to square root 2. All the coefficients are positive, we will get positive value. Now only need to check if x is negative. So I will put x equal to minus square root 2. So minus root 2 cube minus 2 root 2 plus 3 times minus root 2 whole square 6 plus 4 times minus square root 2 minus 4 square root 2 plus 2 in the numerator, and in the denominator we'll write minus 2 root 2. This is x cube. Then we have plus 4, which will be equal to 8 minus 6 square root 2 over 4 minus 2 square root 2. Now 6 root 2 is minus 8.484. Let's write here 8 minus 8.484 in the numerator, and in denominator 4 minus 2.828. 2.828. So denominator is already positive, numerator is negative. So this quantity is coming out negative. As per condition, it should be greater than or equal to 0. So we won't accept x equal to minus square root 2 as a real solution. I will write here x should be 1, x should be square root 2 only. Minus square root 2 would be rejected since it will provide complex valued solution. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.